Hello, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Drew's Food Reviews. And today I've got another episode of Search for Snacks. I heard this was coming out. They've had other ones out in the past. I've tried those. This one's a little bit different. It is from Doritos. It is called Doritos Roulette. They've had Cool Ranch one. They also had a nacho cheese one. Now they have Flamin' Hot Limon. And it says one of these, some chips may be super sour. And then it says maybe sour, maybe hot, not, but always flaming hot. So one of these chips, and every so many, is extra super sour. They're all flaming hot. They all have the limon flavor. And for 12 chips is 150 calories. And yeah, one of them is going to be super duper sour. They're all going to be flaming hot, and then that real intense taste of limon in the background. So I'm going to give it a try for you guys out there. I've already done a review of these. It's kind of cool, but I thought I would give it a try, see how the roulette works. Now, I had to get this online at Walmart. It might be in the stores. I just haven't seen it in the stores lately. I don't know, but here we go, guys. Flamin' hot roulette for you guys. And wow, it's limon. All right, so I don't know if this could be any different. Some of them have a little more coating on them. Some of them are broken. See, they have like coating, and some of them don't. I don't know, but I'm gonna try a couple till they're super sour. All right, here we go. Okay. Just a little hot. I'm catching that flaming, yeah, lemon, not super sour on that one. Yeah, it's flaming hot in the background. Okay. Just hot. I'm guessing I'll know. It's still pretty good. Has the real intense lime flavor, limon. Okay. That one might have a little more lime to it. All right, still going. Not sure if I can tell. This one's got a lot. And it could be that super sour is rubbing off on the other ones. I don't know. A lot more on that one. Little sour, but not extremely. Guessing I'll really know. No. Okay. Okay, that one. A little bit sour. Let's see. Oh, there. That was the one. Wow. Okay. Finally. Wow. Really stands out. Oh man, that lime overtakes the Flamin' Hot. Really super sour, concentrated, and it just like hits the back of your mouth. That one, yeah. See if I could go again. I don't know. Okay, there we go. Another one. Very intense. Like they poured lime juice on there. Wow. Back of your throat, side of your throat. Well, it's like you have really just poured a whole thing of lime juice on there, or bit into a really, really sour lime. Those are intense. They're super sour. They're not super hot. The lime kind of tones the Flamin' Hot down. They're a little spicy, but whoa, and then a lot of aftertaste. So be prepared if you do get these. They are good chips normally. They do have a lot of lingering Flamin' Hot that's kind of sits in the back, but that intense burst of limon hits your tongue everywhere all at once. Yeah. Just a Flamin' Hot's not too bad. So, not as good as the Flamin' Hot regular ones. Not as intense. Get a lot more limon in the background. So, I would get these again for the shock factor. Really has a burst of intense lime. So, for that one, the Doritos Roulette, I'll go for an 8. 8 out of 11. A couple of those chips, really, really sour. Really intense. Big pucker factor. So, check it out. They also have the Flamin' Hot one. And also the Cool Ranch Doritos one. One of them is like a little more intense. So, some of them are a little bit hotter. This one's more sour. So if you like it, go out, see if you could find it, and take the test yourself. See if you can survive. So there you go, guys. Another new addition from Doritos. Wow, that's really sour. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell over here. That way you won't miss any future content. Or if I go live, you won't miss the fun. So till next time on Drew's Food Reviews, when I'll be trying something new and roulette for you. I don't know. I'm going to put these aside. I'll only take a little at a time, because once you hit a sour one, boy, that kind of kills everything. So, till next time, guys, I'll talk to you later.